In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Confluence. Adding a table of contents is a simple way to make your Confluence pages easier to navigate, especially when you're working with long documents or lots of headings. It gives your readers a quick overview of the page and lets them jump straight to the section they care about. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add the table of contents. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes to the page. If you haven't already, it's a good idea to structure your content using headings, like heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. The table of contents macro relies on these headings to automatically generate the list of sections. The clearer your heading structure, the better your table of contents will look and work. Now, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people like to put it near the top of the page, just under the main title or introduction, but you can place it anywhere that makes sense for your document. Next, start typing a /, followed by the word table. So, on your keyboard, type table. As you type, Confluence will show a list of suggested macros and options that match what you're entering. From the list that appears, look for the option called Table of Contents. When you see it, click on Table of Contents. As soon as you do this, Confluence will insert the Table of Contents macro at the cursor position you selected. You should now see a placeholder or a generated list showing the headings that exist on your page. If your page already has headings, the table of contents will populate automatically with links to each section. If it looks empty or incomplete, check that your content is using proper heading styles rather than just bold or larger text. Once it's inserted, you can adjust your headings or add new sections, and the table of contents will update to reflect those changes. When you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and publish or update the page to save your changes. That's all you need to do. Type table, select table of contents, and Confluence will handle the rest, giving your page a clean, clickable outline your readers can use to move around quickly.